Hello guys, welcome to our video. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Zeb Havoc, Zebronics headset that I bought in Amazon recently. The price I got this for is around 1500 rupees. So this Zeb Havoc is a good headphones. I have used this for 2 to 3 weeks. So I have posting a review about this headphones. You can see these details and everything in this video. You can even pause and check the video. So now let's check the unboxing of this headphones. So the another thing, this full video I have recorded the voice in this headphone Zebronic Havoc mic. So this Havoc mic is pretty good for gaming and other purposes, but for not recording or any YouTube videos recording, it will be not good. For gaming, it will be great. This is our headphones Zebronics. I have bought a purple color headphones to be unique, and I also like the purple color. So now let's check inside the box. Inside the box, there is an Dolby Atmos activation code for the 1 year activation. So you can copy this code and activate in your Windows or any other Mac laptops. I think so. It will be only suitable for Windows. You need to copy the activation code and you need to paste it in the Microsoft Store so you can get the Dolby Atmos. So and this headphones also support the Dolby Atmos. So you can use the Dolby Atmos features that is given in this. Okay. The headphones cushions are really comfortable and soft. It can absorb your sweat and you will not feel any sweat in while wearing it. And the plastic is made up of is also very good. And the wire is braided wire, so that you will not face any wire connection like cutting in between and any other problems. And there is one USB port and on 3.5 mm jack. The USB connector is for the RGB lights and the 3.5 mm jack is for headphones and the mic. So both will connect in one thing. And this is the perfect fit in my um, point of view. So for me, it's very comfortable and this headphones is very good. And this is how the RGB lines will be looking when you connect it to your computer or any of the devices.